Good evening, students. This side Dipanjan Roy, and I am discussing today and bringing a new topic, which is pollution. As you know, pollution is actually what it is. It is a kind of condition. It refers to a bad condition in which our environment is getting damaged, and in terms of quantity as well as quality. So, when harmful chemical substances contaminate the environment, it is called pollution. So, let's describe some of them. Suppose in the industries there are a lot of effluents that are released, and these effluents, when they are directly released in the water body, so it contaminates the water. The quality of water gets deteriorated, so we call it as the pollution, like water pollution. And when harmful gases released from the chimneys of the factories, the air gets polluted, we call it as the air pollution. Similarly, land pollution, radioactive pollution, many types of pollution are there. So we can classify 5 types of pollution. First one is the air pollution, second is the water pollution, third one is the noise pollution, land pollution, and radioactive pollution. So now let's describe about the causes of pollution. There are major causes. Around you will find air pollution is quite common in the towns and cities of India and many populated regions around the world. So it is taking place because of the lot of emissions that are released, gas emissions mostly. They are released from the automobiles or the vehicles. So there are major sources of air pollution. We can say first one is the industries. Secondly, the automobiles and the domestic fuels that we use while meeting the domestic needs. That also release high amount of gases that are largely damaging our environment. High proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, all these gases are also cause pollution. Now, this air pollution, if it takes place to a greater extent or greater amounts and released to the atmosphere, this will affect our health, animals, plants, and atmosphere as a whole will be affected. So, how to avoid it? We can avoid this pollution by using natural gases such as LPG, autos. We will not blast crackers. We will use less amount of fuel or some kind of vehicles that do not use such fossil fuels, and avoid using the mainly those kind of gases which or the fuels which cause release lot of carbon dioxide. Instead of that, we will use electric stoves. So this is all about the short summary of the air pollution. Let's describe about water pollution. Water pollution means it is simply a contamination. So contamination of water takes place through undesirable substances which make it unfit for usage, and it is termed as the water pollution. About 40% of the deaths around the world that are caused by water pollution. It is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into the rivers. So noise causes what? Anxiety, stress reaction, right? So many other problems. So what are the effects of water pollution? It has brought certain serious diseases like problems related to internal body, like internal problems in our body, like cholera. This is caused malaria. This is also caused due to the accumulation of water during the time of rainy season. Accumulation of water in certain open areas, and it becomes the breeding grounds of mosquitoes. So typhoid and also aquatic life gets destroyed. So how can we avoid it? So government can easily take measures to ensure the new machines, or they can also make use of different sophisticated techniques, or create awareness among the people. So next, what we will say about the noise pollution. Noise pollution to a great extent is also one of the most important problems that we are facing today. It may be caused due to the high alarms that are released during any festivals or occasions, or such kind of microphones or speakers that are used. That is also one of the most important causes. And also noise pollution is caused when during the time of festival occasions, due to the burning of crackers, that also release huge limit of noise and breaking down the entire balance in our environment. So even the sound horn, that also sound of horns in famous automobiles or vehicles, that also cause noise pollution. So and you will find it near the airports also. If any residential area is there, it should be away from there, because a lot of noise that is created due to the movement of the aircrafts. So government should ensure about this. They should introduce new machines that should be noise off, and we should also maintain some kind of protocols related to the prevention of noise near the hospitals, schools, school areas, or any places of public importance. So and the automobile should be oriented in such a way with a maintaining a noise limit, so that pollution control can be met. So this is all about this topic that I am discussing. In short, I can summarize that pollution, what I have said, the different types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. So and now I will describe about some of the noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution means it is a kind of pollution which is caused due to the radio